Hello kids, let us learn English and Tagalog words.
Mga bata, tayo ay matuto ng mga salitang Ingles at Tagalog.
Ant,
Langgam,
book,
aklat,
cat,
pusa,
dog,
aso,
elephant,
elepante,
fish,
isda,
guitar,
gitara,
hat,
sombrero,
ice cream,
sorbetes,
jungle,
gubat,
key,
susi,
lion,
leon,
monkey,
unggoy,
nose,
ilong,
orange,
dalandan,
pencil,
lapis,
queen,
reyna,
rainbow,
bahaghari,
sun,
araw,
turtle,
pagong,
umbrella,
payong,
violin,
biolin,
watermelon,
pakwan,
x-ray,
x-ray,
yacht,
yate,
zone.
sona.
Thank you for watching our YouTube video. If you like it, maybe subscribe to it. Come on!